2014, in fact it's a very late 64 plate one, Ford Fiesta 1 litre Z-Tech, and this is the higher horsepower one, so it's 100 horsepower, and I think it's £0 to tax, so good on fuel and cheap to tax as well, free to tax. This one is a category N from the insurance company, which is non-structural, which you'll see it is in a minute. You can see it's been bumped around the front. Left the bonnet open so we can pop it and have a quick look. Get my fingers in there. This front panel hasn't been touched. Neither are headlights. The screws have been off just to have a look. There's nothing damaged behind there. And also this, because the grill's been pulled out, you can see behind it. And that is the actual bumper behind, which is the bumper bar. And that's not been touched whatsoever. Or underneath. It's had some plastic damage here, so that will need to be heated up, pulled back into shape. It might be polished off. If it's not, it'll be painted, and it's not fitting very well there, so it's jumped off its bumper bracket. And the rest of the car, nice and straight down that side, no damage. Or the top. So we'll do the inside while we're here. It's got a revised interior, which is nice. Seats are in good nick. Let's look at the back. Same with the back. Looks like it's been looked after. And it's got a few goodies. So we've got auxiliary and USB. It's got stop start. It's got air conditioning. It's got a heated front screen. And it's got the upgraded stereo with the phone kit as well. And we've got a few little buttons there for the steering wheel controls. And yeah, electric windows, basics like that. So all nice and decent and looked after as well. Probably need a new set of mats. Around the back, oh, we've got a scuff here. I don't know how that's happened. I think someone's just rubbed against the gate post, but you know, on an old car I'd probably leave that, but this is too nice to not do that, so that will need to be done. The boot's open, let's have a quick look. That's the grille there, which is undamaged. That'll be quick clean and stuff, but all the mounts are there. And has it got a kit for a spare wheel? Oh, it's got the spare wheel, which is nice, and it's new. Let's close that. It's come from a Ford garage, Gowring's Ford. All the sides are nice and clean and straight. So, in short, that rear bumper corner just to be tidied up. It'll have the grille fitted, this straightened up, and back on the road. And it's a really easy fix. This is just slightly untidy. So these normally retail for, I'm guessing, £5,995. I'm guessing this is going to be £4,500, and it really will be when that's clipped back on and just tidied up. Just the same as any other car on the road. Apart from you're going to save about £1,500, so yeah, decent car.